No mai haere mai, ki te ako o Rangatira. Welcome to this learning session, this sharing session on the word Rangatira. In Te Reo Maori, the word Rangatira means a chief or a leader. Within this word, Rangatira, is the word rana. Rana is the word to weave. So, what does leadership and weaving have in common? Come along and let's find out. But first, I wanted to point out there's a little whittle, a challenge within this whakahua, this video. I've been trying to pronounce the word for word. Kupu. Word. Kupu. However, we're all on this ako journey together. Ako means both to learn and to teach. So, I haven't quite been pronouncing it correctly. So see if you can point it out. Kupu, word. So let us begin. But first, Kotahi Hā. Let us be a breath, one breath. Haki roto. Haki waho. Haki roto. Haki waho. Haki roto. Haki waho. No mai haere mai, ki te waka o ako. Rangatira. Ngā mihi nui. Thank you for joining us on our ACO session. Each one of us are a Rangatira. We are a chief or a leader. And as my kuia said, be the example through your actions. Rangatira. In this kōrero, we actually developed onto how Maui, from Aotearoa mythology, and Moses were both put into kitis, kitis that were rarana, and then put into the wai. I thought that was a very interesting imagery. In our next session, we're going to be going into aroha, the focus of love, and wero. Did you pick up on, I was trying to say kupu? Kupu atahua. But I said kupi. I had a picture of kupi on my wall. Kupi is in Pūrako, was a voyager, possibly discovering Aotearoa, whereas kupu is the word for word. And the way we finish up a kōrero in Te Reo Maori, if you were in the wharanui and the marae, the way I would finish up my kōrero is a waiata. The reason we use waiata is because in our culture, the waiata then gives it the ihi, the energy to lift it aki, lift it up, to be heard. Runa rawa. E hara ahau, e te rangatira, Inari, he ata no te tangata, e hara ahau, e te rangatira, Inari, he ata no te tangata.